Good morning there, viewers, and welcome back to another one of my maintenance, repair, upgrade, whatever kind of shows I put here on YouTube. Once again, we got the old Yoda. She's a 1997 Camry LE, 5S-FE, 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine. Made it to the Ace & Warner A140E automatic transmission. And what we are doing today is we are putting wiper blades on my car. This should also work for all the 4th gen Camrys, maybe the 3rd gens as well. Just so you know, 21-inch wiper blades goes on the driver's side, 19 inches goes on the passenger side. I'm using Super Silicone PIAA, PIAA, not a sponsor, as Eric O would say, it's just what I used. And I still haven't figured out how to pronounce that since I put them on my dad's journey. So without further ado, as Voltaire would say, you better sit that strap on and prepare yourselves for the installation of these silicone wiper blades on my old Yoda. Let's do it. First thing you'll do is you'll raise up the arm for the driver's side wiper blade, just like that. Next thing you'll do, there's a button back here, you push and hold it down, and somehow you push and hold this down and move the wiper blade with it. And then after you get this off of there, then you just free it off, boom. Slide off this little thing here, slide over it, boom. There should be an adapter just like this one in these packs. Alrighty, now according to Amazon, it's supposed to be a C1 connector. You connect the C1 connector in, make sure it looks just like this as it faces up. Slide it into your windshield wiper arm, snaps it in, boom, as Taraz Cool would say. Boom. And of course, just like with the Journey, you get one of these windshield prep pads here. You get one per pack. So my advice to you is use it on one side and then use the other pack on the other side. Just so you know, you get 10 minutes to use these, and you just read the instructions and just wipe down your windshield thoroughly. Get the entire windshield as much as you can. Alright, you pretty much just get the gist of this. Just wipe down your windshield, make sure it's wiped down nice and good. Look at all that dirt I got off. And after that, you just slide it back on, lay it down your arm, boom. Then do the other side, the same thing as you did on the driver's side. Alrighty, now with our new wiper blades installed, whatever brand you're using, looks like it's getting kind of rough, because now we're on to the next step, the last step. Now that both wiper blades are on, now I just check for workmanship. This means put the vehicle in run, not start. Then run your windshield wipers as normal. Silky smooth, no more creaking like chalkboard. Beautiful, very beautiful. Nothing's catching, everything's silky smooth like butter. Yeah. Now I'm ready for all kinds of rainstorms so I can thunder. Feel the thunder. And even the snowstorms too, since they're coming up. At the time I filmed this video and put it on YouTube, of course. Alright, now everything's working like it should. Lube the windshield up with some wiper fluid. Boom. So with that being said and done, now you know how to replace windshield wipers on your 4th generation Toyota Camry. Let's go wrap this up. Well, in spite of the rather rough weather that you saw, here it is again, all that rough weather potentially incoming. I had to say that this installation went pretty good, and actually went a lot better than when I installed it on the Journey, you know, because I had to fight cold and snow and all that. This one went rather smoothly. And yes, it is a C1 clip or connector, just like Amazon said to use. Yeah, that's pretty much it. These PIAA wiper blades are actually pretty good. My dad's Journey still has them, and they still run pretty good. I expect the same life, or more, out of my Camry. I'm Adventure Link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, past, present, and future. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, or whatever about this video, moseying on down to the YouTube comments below this video. leave your comments there. Additionally, be sure to rate, subscribe, share it to friends and family and other fourth-generation Toyota Camry owners. Please do, because it lets YouTube and myself know if I'm doing a good job or not. I'm not making crappy videos. It helps me to keep my living going here on YouTube. More importantly, gets my word out so I can help as many people as I possibly can. If you never want to miss another video from me again, gotta ring that bell! Ah yes, the nice cool winds, because I know the weather's getting kind of rough here. Yeah. Don't forget to sign up on the Toyota Camry 3rd 4th Gen crew. That's KREW, that is. And also the Toyota Enthusiast Facebook groups. If you have any questions about Camrys or Toyotas as a whole, be sure to join up, post your questions, search the boards. The fine folks there, myself included, will be happy to answer any questions you may have in a timely manner. Medical bills and social media links, please check that down in the video description. Please consider donating. Any amount helps out. And as Gain for the Great would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Now we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy, reminding you to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty! And as Erica would say, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. See you in the next video. Until then, have yourself a good rest of your day, evening, or whatever time it is for you. Have a good one.